Hello friends, I'm back again with this tutorial video today on Time Swappers. In this demo video, I'm going to cover how to update your profile, how to complete your KYC, and how to become a verified and a certified seller on Time Swappers. So before we begin and go to timeswappers.com website, I would recommend all the users to read the white paper of EraSwap. This is the website eraswap.live. You will find more details about EraSwap ecosystem, and you can find EraSwap white paper on the bottom of the website under the category of useful links. Under the user guide, you will find EraSwap white paper link. You can click on EraSwap white paper link. You can download it, and here it is downloaded. This is EraSwap utility token white paper. You can read more details about it. You can find more details about the mission, vision, all the utility platforms, the introduction, and since we are going to cover about Time Swappers, so I would recommend users to go to page number 19. Here you go, page number 19. On this page, you will find more details about Time Swappers, the website link. So I would recommend you to go to the white paper and read it. Okay, so now let's go back to timeswapper.com website. Now to log into timeswapper.com, you can type timeswapper.com. Here is the landing page of timeswappers.com. You can see the tagline of Time Swappers, leave no time behind. You can also see a family logo of Time Swappers, and in front of your screen you can see find freelancers as per your needs. So that means any service seeker can find freelancer as per their requirement here on Time Swappers. It's a blockchain based peer-to-peer freelancers marketplace. They can search job, they can post job here. So these are the two very important buttons of Time Swappers. There are some promotional incentives for promoting their services. You can see our trending services, which means some of the trending services are reflected here. Then you can read testimonials of some of the users about Time Swappers. You can also see popular job categories. So these are the categories. More than 50 categories are listed on Time Swappers. So freelancers can list their services as per their skill set. And so this is, you can find some of the terms and condition and privacy policy here. So this UI is really nice. I'm very excited. Now let's go here, and I can see there is an option to search freelancers directly from here. So that's really handy. You can also see option to go back to home. Then there is an option of project. So anybody can list their project, can search for project. This is the services. Anybody can list services, and there is a user guide which says how it works. So that is really nice. And there is a notification icon here. You can see a bell icon. So since I'm already logged into Time Swapper, I've got few notification here. So very informative for the users to track their incentives. That's really good. Now here is the profile page. Now since I'm already logged into Time Swappers, my profile is already updated here. So this is how you can update your profile. You can upload your profile. You can select any image which you want the service seekers to see. This is how you can upload your profile. You can update your name, which will be your first name, then last name, your date of birth, your role, your contact number, your email ID, and your address. And you can hit the save button. Here you go. Account details saved successfully. That's too fast. Then promotional incentive offered. Here you can add promotional incentives for day swappers who can help you to promote your services on Time Swappers and other platforms of Eraswap ecosystem. So I have activated as yes. You can add the promotional incentive which you want to offer to day swappers. So I have added as 10 and you can save here. So I can click here. Wow. This is how I can do it. Yeah, so it got saved. If you want to deactivate, you can deactivate it. So let me just deactivate it. But yes, you can activate it by clicking here, and you can add the percentage which you want to provide it to the day swappers. Now further, if you can see the portfolio section here, you can update your skills. You can add multiple skills here. You can also update your hourly rate, which is very important, since most of the service seekers, when they will view your profile, they will get this information, your hourly rate. Then you can also add a tagline, a catchy tagline for your services and your skill set. You can also provide detailed description about yourself here, and you can upload attachment, and you can hit on save button. So this is how your portfolio details will be saved. Further, you can add education details. You can add experience. You can also add awards and certificates. You can also add some of the useful links which you want your users should see your profile, which can really help them to take a decision. So very important section in your profile, that is your linked accounts, okay, where you can update your work links like GitHub links, Stack Overflow, Blogger, your LinkedIn profile, and any of your introduction link you can update here, and you can hit on save button. So this is how you can update your profile. Now let's go to see your KYC. You can complete your KYC here. You can read the details about KYC verification. There is a step-by-step guide how to update your KYC. You have to upload your picture here. Now, since I already mentioned that there are two categories, verified and certified. Now, to become a verified seller, you have to pay 35 Eraswap. Okay. Otherwise, the listing is free. The only advantage what you get in verified seller is your profile will be tagged as verified, and if you want to become a certified seller, your profile will be tagged as certified seller. So that's the advantage what you have on Time Swappers, because users can opt for services based on your tagged status, whether it's verified or a certified. So this is how you will become a verified seller. So there are some instructions very important for you to read, okay, and here you can upload your KYC details. You can update which ID type you want to upload. So I can upload passport. You can update your ID number here, which will be a passport number if you have selected passport, like this. And you can upload your ID proof with your photo. You can also upload your address proof here. You can also upload a selfie with ID card and Time Swappers written on a piece of paper. So you have to hold it in your right hand, ID card, and your left hand you should have a Time Swapper written on a piece of paper, and you have to upload the image here. Now remember, you can upload only maximum size of 1 MB, and the file format is mentioned here. It should be JPEG, PNG and PDF. And once you take the picture, you can upload it here. And since you want to become a verified seller, you have to tick on submit 35 Eraswap for being verified, and you have to tick here that I hereby confirm that all the information provided are accurate and agree to the terms and condition, and you hit the submit button, and then this will go for approval. Like I've already updated here, and it is awaiting approval. So this is how you can become a verified seller. And if you want to become a certified seller, go back to this section of become a certified seller. Now here you go. This is the KYC for certified seller. Now in certified seller you have to pay 525 Swap, which is very important. You can also read some of the instruction here, the benefits of being a certified seller, because it has high chances of getting selected over others. So very important here. Then project link, you can update your project link, because being a certified seller, the service seeker would expect more details about your work, your professional qualification. So you can upload all your details here, and you can add description, and you can upload all your documents here. And once you upload it, hit on submit button. Okay, and this is how your application to become a certified seller will go to the admin, and admin will approve quickly. So these are the important steps on timeswappers.com. So friends, I would suggest to visit timeswapper.com if you are a graphic designer, if you are a web designer, if you are a video editor, if you are a audio editor, if you can provide services remotely to the users globally, then please register on Timeswappers. To register on Timeswapper, there are no ES charges. As I mentioned that if you want to become verified, you have to pay 35 Swap. If you want to become certified seller, you have to pay 525 Swap. So these are the charges which are there. Okay, and these are the two tags which will help you to get attention from many users who are seeking services. So, and always this tags will give you advantage, okay, because you will be reflecting on the top in their search list. So this is all about timeswappers.com. What we have covered today is how to update profile, how to become verified seller, and how to become a certified seller, and how to update the KYC. So I hope friends this video was useful for you. Watch out this space for more videos. Thank you so much.